Who is the father of Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Lord Shiva, B. Lord Vishnu, C. Lord Brahma, D. Lord Krishna. The correct answer is A. Lord Shiva. Lord Ganesha is the god of. The options are A. Power, B. Wisdom, C. Money, D. Knowledge. The correct answer is B. Wisdom. Who is the mother of Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Goddess Parvati, B. Goddess Lakshmi, C. Goddess Durga, D. Goddess Saraswati. The correct answer is A. Goddess Parvati. Who is the brother of Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Lakshmana, B. Kartikeya, C. Varuna, and D. Balrama. The correct answer is B. Kartikeya. According to Hindu mythology, who is the sister of Lord Ganesha? A. Goddess Saraswati, B. Goddess Durga, C. Goddess Ashok Sundari, and D. Goddess Kali. The correct answer is C. Goddess Ashok Sundari. What is the significance of Ganesh Chaturthi? A. Beginning of winter season, B. Birthday of Lord Ganesha, C. Beginning of monsoon season, and D. End of monsoon season. The correct answer is B. Birthday of Lord Ganesha. Who broke Ganesha's teeth, leading to his name Ekdanta? The options are A. Vishwakarma, B. Kartikeya, C. Indradev, and D. Parshurama. The correct answer is D. Parshurama. What weapon does Lord Ganesha hold in one of his arms? The options are sword, B. Axe, C. Knife, and D. Chakra. The correct answer is X. Which epic is written by Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Bhagavad Gita, B. Ramayana, C. Mahabharata, or D. Upanishads. The correct answer is Mahabharata. The word Vignaharta means. The options are A. Lord of Power, B. Remover of Obstacles, C. Lord of Wisdom, or D. Lord of Money. The correct answer is B. Remover of Obstacles. What is the name of Ganesha's spouse? The options are A. Riddhi and Siddhi, B. Durga and Kali, C. Lakshmi and Saraswati, and D. Ganga and Yamuna. The correct answer is A. Riddhi and Siddhi. In which month is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated? The options are A. Ashwin, B. Megha, C. Sawan, and D. Bhadrapada. And the correct answer is D. Bhadrapada. What is the primary offerings made to Lord Ganesha during worship? The options are A. Fruits, B. Modak, C. Rice, or D. Halwa. And the correct answer is B. Modak. Which animal is known as the Vahana of Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Moshika, B. Lion, C. Elephant, or D. Tiger. The correct answer is A. Moshika. What does the word Ganpati means? The options are A. God of knowledge, B. Lord of Ganas, C. King of gods, or D. Remover of sorrow. The correct answer is B. Lord of Ganas. What is the significance of trunk of Lord Ganesha? A. Strength, B. Intelligence, C. Flexibility, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which festival marks the end of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations? A. Makar Sankranti, B. Diwali, C. Anant Chaturdasi, or D. Holi. The correct answer is C. Anant Chaturdasi. How many arms does Lord Ganesha typically have in depictions? A. 2 arms, B. 4 arms, C. 6 arms, or D. 8 arms. The correct answer is B. 4 arms. What does the term Pratham Puja refers to in relations to Ganesha? A. First worshipped, B. Most knowledgeable, C. Most powerful, or D. Most reverted. And the answer is A. First worshipped. Which chakra is associated with Lord Ganesha in the human body? A. Muladhara chakra, B. Swadhisthha chakra, C. Manipura chakra, or D. Ajna chakra. The correct answer is A. Muladhara chakra. Which color is associated with Ganesh Chaturthi? A. Red, B. Green, C. Yellow, or D. Orange. The correct answer is C. Yellow. What is the main purpose of Ganesh Visarjan? A. To celebrate Ganesha's return to Kailash. B. To mark the end of the festival. C. Signifies cycle of creation and destruction. Or D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of lotus in Ganesha's hand? A. Purity, B. Wealth, C. Power, or D. Knowledge. The correct answer is A. Purity. Which of the following is not the name of Lord Ganesha? A. Vinayaka, B. Ganpati, C. Lambodarax, or D. Mohana. The correct answer is D. Mohana. What does the term Ganesh Vandana refers to? A. Chanting prayers dedicated to Lord Ganesha. B. Offering sweets to Ganesha. C. Celebrating the festival. Or D. Performing rituals. The correct answer is A. Chanting prayers dedicated to Ganesha. Which of the following is a common ritual performed during Ganesh Chaturthi? The options are A. Idol Sthapit, B. Idol Immersion, C. Worshipping Lord Ganesha, or D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Dance performed during Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations is called A. Dandiya, B. Garbha, C. Lavani, D. Bhangra. And the correct answer is C. Lavani. Which state in India is known for its grand Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. Karnataka? The correct answer is B. Maharashtra. What does the term Vinayak signify? A. Leader of Ganas, B. Lord of Wisdom, C. Remover of obstacles, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the traditional offering made during Ganesh Chaturthi? A. Fruits, B. Sweets, C. Rice, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of elephant head of Ganesha? A. Power and authority, B. Strength and wisdom, C. Intelligence and adaptability, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a popular song sung during Ganesh Chaturthi? A. Jai Ganesh Deva, B. Om Jai Jagdish Hare, C. Ganeshaya Namha, or D. Aarti Kije. The correct answer is A. Jai Ganesh Deva. What is the purpose of Ganesha's large ears? A. To listen to prayers, B. To hear the troubles of devotees, C. To symbolize wisdom, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is not a form of Ganesha? A. Bal Ganesha, B. Shipra Ganesha, C. Siddhi Vinayak, D. Bhairava. The correct answer is D. Bhairava. What is the significance of Ganesha's round belly? A. Abundance, B. Contentment, C. Acceptance of all experiences, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a famous Ganesh temple in India? A. Kashi Vishwanath Temple, B. Siddhi Vinayak Temple, C. Jagannath Temple, or D. Brideswarar Temple. The correct answer is D. Brideshwarar Temple. In which direction Ganesha's idol should be placed during worship? A. Northeast direction, B. Southwest direction, C. East direction, or D. West direction? The correct answer is A. Northeast direction. What does the term Mangal Murti refers to? The options are A. Auspicious idol, B. Sacred text, C. Wisdom, or D. Rituals. The correct answer is A. Auspicious idol. Which of the following plant leaves is offered to Lord Ganesha only at the time of Ganesh Chaturthi? The options are A. Bay leaves, B. Basil leaves, C. Coriander leaves, or D. Indian bale. The correct answer is B. Basil leaves. What is the significance of Ganesha's small eyes? A. Wisdom and knowledge, B. Focus and concentration, C. Vision and insight, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does the term Siddhi refers to in Ganesha's context? A. Success, B. Accomplishments, C. Spiritual powers, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of Ganesha's idol's color? A. Represents emotions, B. Symbolizes energy, C. Indicate auspiciousness, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a common prayer offered to Lord Ganesha? A. Ganesh Pancharatnam, B. Hanuman Chalisa, C. Durga Saptasthi, or D. Gayatri Mantra. The correct answer is A. Ganesh Pancharatnam. What does the term Gana refer to in Ganesha's context? A. The group of deities, B. Celestial beings, C. Followers, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of conch shell in Ganesha's depictions? A. Purity, B. Sacred sound, C. Victory, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a common gesture of Lord Ganesha? A. Abhyamudra, B. Vradha Mudra, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. A and B. What is the significance of the Ganesha's idol's height? A. Represent stature, B. Symbolizes importance, C. Indicates devotion, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does the term Subh refers to in relation to Ganesha? A. Prosperity, B. Auspiciousness, C. Happiness, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of Ganesha's four arms? A. Represent the four directions. B. Indicates power and strength. C. Symbolizes four aspects of life. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the traditional way to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi at home? The options are A. Performing rituals and prayers. B. Fasting. C. Decorating the idol. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of offering coconut to Lord Ganesha? The options are A. Indicates devotion. B. Represent purity. C. Symbolizes surrender. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a common practice during Ganesh Chaturthi? The options are A. Visiting temples. B. Community celebrations. C. Idol immersion. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the name of sweet dish made of rice and jaggery offered to Ganesha? The options are A. Modak. B. Kheer. C. Puranpoli. Or D. Laddu. The correct answer is A. Modak. What does the term Pran Pratishtha refers to in Ganesha's worship? The options are A. Offering of sweets. B. Ceremony of invoking life into the idol. C. Chanting of mantras. Or D. Ritual of idol immersion. The correct answer is B. Ceremony of invoking life into the idol. Which of the following is a popular Ganesha's chant? The options are A. Om Namo Narayana. B. Om Ganpate Namah. C. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Or D. Om Namah Shivaya. The correct answer is B. Om Ganpataya Namah. What does Ganesha's mouse symbolize? The options are A. Humanity. B. Resourcefulness. C. Overcoming obstacles. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a common decoration used during Ganesh Chaturthi? The options are A. Flowers. B. Lights. C. Rangoli. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does the term Siddhi Vinayak means? The options are A. Lord of Success. B. Remover of obstacles. C. God of Wisdom. Or D. Protector of devotees. The correct answer is A. Lord of Success. Which of the following is a famous Ganesh temple in Tamil Nadu? Option A. Siddhi Vinayak Temple. Option B. Karpaga Vinayakar Temple. Option C. Ganesh Temple, Pune. Option D. Mumra Ganesh Mandir. The correct answer is B. Karpaga Vinayakar Temple. What is the significance of Ganesha's idol's color? A. Represent emotions. B. Symbolizes energy. C. Indicate auspiciousness, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a popular prayer offered to Ganesha for success? A. Ganesh Stotra, B. Ganesh Vandana, C. Ganesh Aarti, and D. Ganesh Ashtakshara Mantra. The correct answer is option D. Ganesh Ashtakshara Mantra. Which of the following is a common prayer offered to Lord Ganesha? A. Gayatri Mantra, B. Ganesh Panchratnam, C. Hanuman Chalisa, or D. Durga Saptasti. And the correct answer is option B. Ganesh Panchratnam. What is the significance of couch shell in Ganesha's depictions? A. Purity, B. Victory, C. Sacred sound, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of Ganesha's broken tusk? And the options are A. Wisdom, B. Sacrifice, C. Overcoming obstacles, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does Ganesha's large head symbolize? A. Intelligence, B. Authority, C. Power, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is A. Intelligence. Which of the following is a popular Ganesha idol immersion site in Mumbai? The options are A. Juhu Beach, option B. Chopati Beach, option C. Marine Drive, and option D. Versova Beach. And the correct answer is A. Juhu Beach. What does the term Sankalp refers to during Ganesha's worship? A. Offering, B. Resolution, C. Prayer, or D. Ritual? The correct answer is B. Resolution. What is the significance of Ganesha's idol facial expression? A. Joy, B. Calmness, C. Authority, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a common offering made to Ganesha during Ganesh Chaturthi? A. Coconut, B. Sugarcane, C. Bananas, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does the term puja refers to in Ganesha's worship? A. Prayer ritual, B. Offering of food, C. Chanting of mantras, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the name of Ganesha's festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu? Option A. Vinayaka Chaturthi, option B. Ganesh Utsav, option C. Ganesh Chaturthi, option D. Vinayaka's Puja. The correct answer is A. Vinayaka Chaturthi. What is the significance of Ganesha's idol eyes? The options are A. Vision and insight, B. Awareness, C. Spiritual perception, or D. All of the above? The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is the significance of Ganesha's idol's placement in home? The options are to attract wealth, B. To bring peace, C. To remove obstacles, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What does the term Anant Chaturdashi refers to? The options are A. The day of fasting, B. The festival of Lord Shiva, C. The last day of Ganesh Chaturthi, or D. A celebration of knowledge. The correct answer is C. The last day of Ganesh Chaturthi. Which is the oldest Veda to mention Lord Ganpati? A. Yajurved, B. Rigved, C. Atharvaved, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Rigveda. Lord Ganesha is believed to have been born during A. Midday period, B. Morning period, C. Evening period, or D. Night time. The correct answer is A. Midday period.